case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Superior Court of Pennsylvania heard Armstrong v. Paoli Memorial Hospital in 1993. This case centered on the legal nuances of emotional distress caused by mistaken notifications and under what conditions one can recover damages for such suffering. A mistaken phone call from a hospital set the stage for this lawsuit. The hospital erroneously informed Armstrong, the plaintiff, of her husband's accident. The actual victim of the accident had no relation to Armstrong, and her husband was unharmed. Left grappling with significant emotional distress following the ordeal, Armstrong pursued legal action against the hospital on negligence grounds. The trial level saw mixed outcomes. One of Armstrong's claims was dismissed, yet she was awarded $1,000 in damages for negligent infliction of emotional distress. Additionally, a new trial exclusively concerning damages was granted by the judge. However, the hospital lodged an appeal. They contested the evidence used in the court ruling, argued there was insufficient support for the verdict, and contested whether Pennsylvania law could even allow for damage recovery in cases of negligent infliction of emotional distress. In determining the final verdict, the Superior Court made the decision to reverse the trial court's refusal of a judgment notwithstanding the verdict, JNOV. In layman's terms, the court ruled in favor of the defendant hospital. The order for a new trial on damages alone was also dismissed. This ruling ultimately absolved the hospital of the previous compensation award of $1,000 to Armstrong, and it canceled the upcoming trial earmarked for the reassessment of damages.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.